Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up secure folder. So let's start by opening Files application by Google on your device. And now if you scroll to Collections, you will find Save folder right here. So let's tap it. Let me increase my brightness. And then you want to choose a lock that you prefer to use, whether it's pin or pattern. Personally, I prefer to use pattern, so I will set it, then tap next and repeat it to confirm it. Let's tap OK, and now it is time to move files into secure folder inside. So if you want to hide any photo, video or document, then first of all let's open such photo, in my case for example, and then you want to tap three-dot button in the top right corner of your screen, and then you will find here option move to save folder. So let's select it, then draw a pattern, and it says that it is moved, so let's go and check it. Let's go to homepage of files, let's go to collections and tap save folder, then you want to enter it. And here you can see this is the photo that I had just placed into my save folder. So let's repeat this for audio, for example. The same way, I will tap three-dot button and select move to save folder. So that's it. But if you want to delete any file or document or video or photo from a save folder, again tap three-dot button next to it and select move out of save folder. So that's basically it. That's how you can set up and use save folder on your Google Pixel 10 Pro device. If this was helpful for you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and see you in the next one.